With style kits, you can use a system of global fonts to set and manage the styles of your typography. These fonts are similar to Elementor global fonts and can be applied to any typographic instance of your layout via the globe icon. To customize and manage the font, open the right-click menu and click on the Edit Style Kit Fonts link. This will take you to the Global Fonts panel in Site Settings. In the Style Kits Fonts panel, you'll find a list of all typographic styles used in the framework. You can manage all typographic styles from this central area and have an overview based on their role in the layout. As we will see shortly, these global fonts will be assigned to Elementor's site settings in order to integrate and become a part of your theme setup. The first set of styles has to do with your headings. Here we define the styles for our titles, following a size-based scale. The next set of styles is reserved for text instances, as well as for other elements. You are free to keep expanding on those styles, or completely customize them. Keep in mind that you can optionally customize the label for each style if you want. With Style Kits Pro, you can have a typographic system of up to 48 styles that will work for your most advanced setups. Now in Elementor's site settings, we are going to assign our global style kit fonts to some elements in the typography panel. In body text, we will select the normal text, and in the headings section we will assign the styles title 1 to 6 to the heading 1 to 6 elements. We follow the same for button text and contact form fields. We save the changes to our style kit and get back to the editor. We can apply any of these global font styles to any elements in our layout, while managing them from their dedicated Global Fonts panel.